Hi there, I'm Andrew, founder of Stitch and the Stitch community. If you're watching this video, it probably means you've just signed up for Stitch and are wondering how it all works. So this is a short introductory video to give you a very high level overview of how to use Stitch. You can find more detailed explanations at the Stitch support site, which is support.stitch.net, and additional tutorials and videos at stitch.net videos. Now it's worth noting that everything I'm going to show you in this video is the Stitch website. That's just because it's bigger and easier to see, but it applies just as much to the Stitch app, which you might be using on your Android phone or iPhone. We've designed Stitch so that it looks and works exactly the same in the app as the website, just so that it's easier to learn and understand. It's just smaller. Okay, so let's take a look at how Stitch works. Stitch is both a community you join and a way to meet potential companions. The top menu of Stitch consists of 4 main categories. The Community tab, not surprisingly, is where you'll find all the groups, activities, events and discussions that are part of the Stitch community. The Members tab is where you'll go to meet individual Stitch members for one-to-one connections. The Messages tab is where you manage all your communications with other members. And the More menu is where you'll find everything else: the Stitch Help Center, the Rewards program, and where you can manage your Stitch account and settings. Let's take a look at the community page in a bit more detail. The main community homepage shows you highlights of Stitch in your area, including Stitch groups, events and activities, and online discussions with other members. To see a full list of everything in the community, however, you can take a look at the Groups, Activities, or Discussions tabs shown under the Community menu along here. Let's take a look at Stitch Activities. The Activities page lists all the member activities happening in your area. The list you see here will depend on the distance preferences you've chosen, along with the Stitch groups you've joined. If you see an activity you like, you can click into it and then choose Attend. It's that simple. Each activity will include details of the event, a list of attendees, the ability to contact them, and a discussion area for everyone who is attending. If you see an activity you like, that's fantastic. But if you don't, just suggest one. The idea behind Stitch is to give you a way to meet like-minded members by doing the activities you enjoy. So the best way to meet people you like is to suggest something yourself. If one-to-one connections are more your thing, head over to the Members page. This allows you to connect with other members for one-on-one communications. Now, whether you're interested in meeting people one-on-one or joining into the community, you need to know Stitch places an enormous emphasis on safety, security, and trust. That means you won't be able to communicate with any other Stitch members until you've got yourself verified. You can do that in person by attending a Stitch event or online. Just head over to Settings, go to Verification, and choose the online option to get verified. And that's it. Check out the Stitch Help Center for detailed explanations about everything on Stitch. And if you've got questions, just click Contact Stitch on the More menu. Thanks for listening, and I hope to see you in the community soon.